Good evening, everyone. So tonight I'm in Pattaya, or somewhere near Pattaya, in a place called Sattahip, and I'm staying at the Worita Cove Hotel. This is a 2-bedroom family suite. It is room 709 on the 7th floor. The 9 has fallen off because of some heavy rain last night, I believe. But this is the first night I'm checking in. Here's the key card, so let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Alright, so that is the floor plan. This one controls the air conditioning system in the bedroom, while this one controls the central unit. You also have a light switch right there and the slot to insert the key card for the room's power. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. Bunk beds right there. Dining table with chairs. Right here is a cupboard. Some electrical stuff up there. Toshiba fridge. Cupboards. Sink. More cupboards below. Rubbish bin. Tea and coffee. A microwave. And this is the first bathroom with the sink. Hello, a mirror, toilet, and a shower area. Right there is a flat screen LG TV. You can see a bit of the view out of the windows right here. I'll show a clip during the daytime so you can see the view out better. But this is the bedroom, or rather second bedroom if you count this one as the first. But yes, the bedroom with the double bed, air conditioning unit, another flat screen TV, a larger LG unit this time, some power plugs down there, bedside table, that leads to the balcony, which I'll show you tomorrow. And right in here is the second bathroom with the bathtub. Quite a nice looking one, I might add. Towels. There are some windows right there if you are feeling adventurous. Sink, another mirror, open plan cupboard. Dressing table, and another toilet. Alright, so that's the view out of the room the next morning. This is not a bad view. The full sea view is obstructed by this building right here, but yeah, there's a view of the driveway below. Another update the next morning. The hotel have fixed the 9 bag on the room number plaque. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 709 at the Worita Cove Hotel in Sattahip, Pattaya, Thailand. Thanks for watching and goodbye.